Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. In ongoing series of proteins on my channel Foodscito, these days I am discussing about chemical properties of proteins. In my last session, I have discussed about amphoterism and binding of ions. And in today's video, I will be discussing about the remaining two properties, that is hydration of proteins and precipitation with antibodies. Proteins can form hydrates with water, and this reaction is very important in food chemistry. Proteins contains a number of groups in which nitrogen and oxygen possess pairs of unshared electrons, and due to presence of these unshared electrons, they are capable of forming hydrogen bonds. As you can see over the screen, nitrogen in a free amino group or in peptide linkage, it's in the same condition, that is, it possesses unshared electron, while double bonded oxygen of carboxyl group or carbonyl group in peptide link is more strongly negative and possesses a greater attraction towards hydrogen than nitrogen. So in this condition, both nitrogen and oxygen are able to attract hydrogen of water. Apart from this, you should also be knowing that hydrate formation is greater at pH other than Pi, that is isoelectric pH. Now there are a number of factors which affect extent of protein hydration. What are they? For example, pH, temperature, concentration of protein dispersed, and presence of other substances. For example, some electrolytes, sugars, if they are present, they will also compete with proteins for water. Next is precipitation with antibodies. First of all, what are antibodies? Antibodies are proteins that protect you when an unwanted substance enters your body. Now, as you can see over the screen, if a foreign protein, that is antigen, enters in our bloodstream, then a substance known as antibody which precipitates that protein is developed. As you can see in the second part of figure, if another pathogen enters our body, then another antibody which is specific for that pathogen will be developed, indicating that antigen-antibody reactions are highly specific. This you should be knowing, that antigen-antibody reactions are highly specific. So this was all about hydration of proteins and precipitation with antibodies. Stay tuned with Foodscito for more such concepts and learning. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Thank you for listening.